Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to export WhatsApp chats history and read it. So let's get started. If you want to export your WhatsApp chats and you want to read it, then what you can do is just simply follow some easy steps. First, what you can do is simply open up your WhatsApp application. After opening up your WhatsApp application, just select a chat that you want to download. So for example, I would like to download the chats from this person. Then what I can do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right corner of our screen. And after tapping on that, just tap on more. After tapping on more, now you'll find the option which is export chats. Just tap on it and then tap on include media. So by tapping on include media, you will download the videos or the photos in HD quality. So you can just simply do that, and after doing that, now what you can do is just simply tap on Gmail, or you can choose any other application that you like. After tapping on Gmail, now what you can do is simply type in the email address which you can find in the top of your screen, which is your own email address. And after typing in that, now what you can do is just simply tap on the blue color arrow which is on the top right. After tapping on that blue color arrow, now you should receive a mail. So just simply open up your Gmail application and you should receive a mail from me, which is from you, and just tap on it and then download it. Now it's downloading, just wait until it's downloaded, and after downloaded, just simply open it. So just simply open up your file application, and after opening up your files, now what you can do is just simply tap on downloads. After tapping on download, now you should find your zip file. So what you can do is just simply tap on it and then tap on extract. After tapping on extract, now you can find all the extracted files. Just tap on done, and these are the images which have been extracted. These are the images and the videos. And now if you want to access your chats, then what you can do is just simply tap on a file which you will find which is named WhatsApp chats with your following friend.txt. Just tap on it. And after tapping on it, now you should find all the chats with the date. So in the left side of your screen, this is all the dates, and these are the chats that you have made with that person. So these are the chats, these are also some images that you have sent to that person. So that's it guys, this is how to export WhatsApp chat history and read it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below.